Yo Pandu, many congratulations on your big day. Did not think तुम ये दिन कभी दिखाओगे.
Hi Tejas, congratulations.
I just wish we were there to sing and dance on your barat the way we did on that eventful Miami night.
I wish you a very happy married life.
Hey Tejas, congratulations on your big day.
I wish that we all could have been there for your big day.
Really happy for you.
So probably I have not made it to your wedding.
Hello Tejas.
Really sorry Pooja, really sorry Tejas.
Many congratulations Tejas and Pooja. We're so happy to know that you both are getting married.
मज़ा आया काफ़ी मस्त वेरी मतलब क्या न्यूज़ है बढ़िया.
अगर ये कोरोना नहीं होता तो मैं दुनिया में से कहीं से भी आ जाता है. And I'm really glad कि last year I could make it to your engagement.
Another wicket down in TP group. I'm so proud of you.
Tejas bro, welcome to the club.
I wish we all could have made it to your wedding.
I'm sure you guys are really happy and just had an amazing wedding. So congratulations.
We should have made this pact in college itself that no matter what happens, even during COVID times, we should have attended each other's wedding.
Hi Pandu, first of all many congratulations on your wedding day.
Hi Tejas, hi Pooja. I hope you guys are having a great time.
Sorry we are not there.
But we'll definitely make up for all of it once you guys are back to the US.
Nonetheless, Anmol has us all recording these words of wisdom for you.
So ours was an arranged friendship. हमारे पापा ने हमें मिलवाया था first day BITS के.
Now Anmol has asked us to answer a few questions for you.
So good luck on that.
तेजस के साथ फॉन्ड मेमोरी.
Like the first time he had gotten placed and we got to know about it and we got super excited.
काफ़ी सारी फॉन्ड मेमोरीज है.
I remember that 7 of us were jumping around SAC and he was in Ankh with his other friends I think.
It started with our Indore trips.
So we decided to go to Ankh and we were like, Tejas, congratulations, you got placed and super excited and stuff.
फिर हम लोगों ने skit किया था.
And he was like, yeah, I mean, thank you guys, thank you, but just don't jump around here, like, be calm.
फिर उसके बाद प्रोजेक्ट किया था.
Tejas and I have shared some really good memories.
फिर
From the recent ones when he visited us in SF and we had a great time. We went to a jazz bar, had a lot of fun there.
तो मतलब फिर हम लोग टीपी गैंग के मेंबर्स बन गए थे.
And then we played a lot of code names, which was a lot of fun.
मतलब there are a lot of fond memories.
One of the interesting memories to Tejas is from BITS.
I fondly remember our Pilani days.
It's something that has stuck with me.
All the hangout that we did at Radies, or all those trips to Delhi, Jaipur, random plans getting formulated at random timing.
We were all sitting at SAC and having rumali roti and masala dosa and chola bhatura.
What's my most striking memory of Tejas?
I think it was me, Anmol, Tejas and a couple other folks.
I think that would be the time when you got that job offer from Opera Solutions.
And Tejas was for some reason so motivated that day and so inspired, and I think you were thinking of becoming an IS or something.
The joy and the happiness we all felt at that time, it was like I think we all got that job offer.
And he kept saying कि जोशी यार कुछ करते कुछ बड़ा करते.
We first started hanging out together because we were all from Indore.
And as always I was so focused on my food. But you kept saying that यार कुछ करते.
We started traveling together.
That US trip of mine is one of the most memorable times I spent with you.
It was so much fun hanging out.
Especially roaming around Manhattan for that entire week, seeing my first ever Broadway show with you.
Playing cards on our way.
Pooja, I'll start off with you first. This is probably the last time you will hear me call Tejas.
We may have had a close encounter with an animal on the road as well.
Tejas was the first guy I ever met in Pilani.
It was so much fun traveling.
He's the first friend that I made in Pilani.
And in the 3rd year and 4th year we were wingies as well.
And I'm so glad about it.
So it was great hanging with you.
Sweetest guys I've known in my life.
So I've been a troublemaker and he's been my troubleshooter.
Your evolution has spanned across so many different dimensions.
काफ़ी इवॉल्व हुआ है तेजस.
From 60 kg to 100 kg and now back to 60 kgs.
पहले से ज़्यादा काफ़ी बैलेंस्ड और काफ़ी मैच्योर पर्सपेक्टिव हो गया है तेजस का.
From the streets of Pilani to the streets of New York.
बिट्स में आने के बाद तेजस इवॉल्व तो बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है.
From इंदौर की जलेबी to Rockefeller Center का banana pudding.
मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा.
From हवाई चप्पल to your collection of fine Italian leather shoes.
स्टार्टिंग में जब आया था उसके क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक होते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा वियर्ड होते थे.
Your growth over the past years is for all of us to see.
और मैं उनको somehow अपने आधे अधूरे नॉलेज का आंसर करता था.
And we are so very happy and proud of all that you've achieved.
So he was like BBT के वो 4 geek होते हैं ना.
You were one person who would bring that some bit of pragmatism to the entire group.
जिन्हें सोशल बिहेवियर के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं पता होता है. They get amazed by a lot of things around them.
Thank you for that.
So that used to be Tejas in first year.
I also hope that you've become slightly more risk-taking over the years.
So over the years, Wikipedia became best friend of Tejas, and Wikipedia became the ultimate source of truth for him. कहीं भी कोई डिबेट हो जाए, कोई भी आर्ग्यूमेंट हो जाए, तेजस का गो टू स्टेटमेंट होता था, विकिपीडिया पे जाके देख ले.
Words of praise for Tejas.
Frankly, ये वाला थोड़ा tough है.
Much to say.
So that's one.
I'm going to skip that.
The best that I can say is you have a good choice of partners.
Seriously, he has grown a lot as an individual.
Tejas is one of the most sorted and the most chill person I've met.
नहीं कहाँ से क्या क्या पढ़ के आता है, क्या क्या सीख के आता है. ये
You know, incredibly motivated yet so humble.
किसी भी सिचुएशन को बहुत एनालिटिकली, बहुत प्रैक्टिकली ब्रेक डाउन कर सकता है कोई ना कोई साइंटिफिक थ्योरी के साथ. अभी
When I recently visited New Jersey, Tejas wasn't at his place, but I messaged him and I said that I need a place to put up. And Tejas went out of his way to make sure that, you know, I could stay at his place, and the stay was so comfortable because, you know, the sweet guy that Tejas is.
I think you've always given good memories to everyone around you.
He made all the preparations. Like his room was just like an Airbnb, like with folded towels and breath mints and hand sanitizer and, you know, every possible thing that you could think of.
So just be the same, just be the best friend anyone can have.
And it was just amazing. It was really sweet. So that's the guy Tejas is.
Thank you for that.
सो तारीफ तो बाकी सब लोग कर ही चुके हैं. स्वीट है, कैरिंग है, हेल्पफुल है, एवरीथिंग इज़ ट्रू. और मेरे लिए तो ही हैज़ बीन लाइक अ रॉक. हम मतलब 11-12 साल से इतने अच्छे दोस्त हैं. और मैंने इससे पहले भी कहा बीन अ ट्रबल में कही इज़ बीन माई ट्रबल शूटर. सो एंड ही रियली गोज़ आउट ऑफ हिज वे टू हेल्प यू रिजॉल्व एनीथिंग दैट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू. से एक बार मैं मुंबई में था, मैं इंटर्नशिप कर रहा था, दिल्ली में था, जॉब कर रहा था. आई वॉज अपसेट अबाउट समथिंग. थोड़ा शायद ज़्यादा अपसेट था, तो इसको इतना टेंशन हुआ. ही गॉट सो वरीड कि इसने मेरे फ्लाइट के टिकट्स बुक करा दिए दिल्ली के, सो दैट आई कुड ट्रेवल टू दिल्ली एंड गेट इट सॉर्टेड.
Marital advice is to keep it simple. थोड़ा लाइफ में भक्ति लाओ, सुबह शाम पूजा करो, and I'm sure everything will be fine.
From me, मेरी तो खुद की शादी नहीं हुई यार, मुझसे मत पूछो.
यार मैं सिर्फ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस देता हूँ, मैरिटल एडवाइस नहीं देता हूँ.
A simple advice that I want to give you.
Advice for Tejas.
So a happy wife is equal to a happy life. I'm sure you've heard this पहले भी.
I love that Sridevi tells in that movie English, but puts it across very well.
But like, what's the secret sauce for a happy wife?
So just maintain that love and understanding between the two of you.
तो एक इंदौरी महापुरुष ने मेरे को ये शब्द बताए थे, तो मैं वही तुझे भी पास ऑन करना चाहूँगा. इन 3 शब्दों को अपने मन में गड़ा लो, ठीक है. बस 3 शब्द हैं ये, ठीक है. कौन से हैं ये 3 शब्द? अच्छा, ठीक है. A standard response works well every single time, my friend. That's the mantra to a happy wife.
And wish you a very, very happy life ahead. All the best and enjoy your wedding.
Jokes aside, wishing you guys a very, very happy married life. Go have fun.
I hope you have like loads of fun at your wedding, and congratulations to both of you.
Finally, congratulations to you, Tejas, and honestly, commiserations to you, Pooja. But in all seriousness, wish you both a very, very happy married life. I hope you enjoy the day.
Congratulations on the best day of your life. Enjoy it to the fullest, and please do send us room links and pictures soon. Best of luck for your life ahead.
Congratulations, Tejas and Pooja. I wish you a very happy married life.
Once again, congratulations on your marriage. Very happy for you. You and Pooja make a great couple, and I wish you guys the best.
Congratulations on your wedding, and wish you both a happy married life ahead.
So many congratulations to you again. Keep in touch and have a happy married life.
Congratulations, Tejas and Pooja. Have a very, very happy, long and successful married life.
So बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ. अभी कोरोना का टाइम चल रहा है और शादी में हम ढंग से एंजॉय नहीं कर पाए, शादी में पार्टी नहीं कर पाए, बट नो वरीज. अभी यूएस जाओ, सेटल हो जाओ. वेरी सून विल मीट एंड हैव अ ब्लास्ट.
Let's meet whenever you are back here.
Hope to meet you soon.
Hope to see you both very, very soon.
Hope we get to meet sometime soon.
मिलते हैं अपन. कोरोना खत्म हो जाए फिर मिलते हैं.